Hey there, welcome back to Healthosphere 360. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or like your thoughts are spinning out of control, first, take a deep breath. You're not alone. Anxiety is something many of us deal with in today's fast-paced world. But what if I told you that in just 5 minutes a day, you could start to feel more grounded, more peaceful, and more in control of your mind? Yes, just 5 minutes. Let's talk about how you can use simple, natural 5-minute habits to fight anxiety. No expensive treatments, no complicated routines, just small, powerful actions that can make a big difference over time. Now, it's important to understand that anxiety isn't just in your head. It's your body's natural stress response, and when we're under constant pressure, that stress builds up. The good news? We can gently train our mind and body to respond differently. And that's where these micro habits come in. One of the most effective things you can do is pause and breathe. Not just any breathing, slow, mindful breathing that tells your brain, hey, we're safe. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. Just doing this for 5 minutes can reduce cortisol levels, relax your muscles, and calm racing thoughts. Another great 5-minute practice is taking a short walk outside. Even just stepping onto your balcony or walking around the block gives your brain a break from screens and pressure. Studies show that natural light, fresh air, and even just the sight of greenery can lower anxiety levels and improve mood significantly. Here's something incredibly simple yet powerful: a quick gratitude or thought dump journaling session. Set a timer for 5 minutes and write whatever's on your mind. If it's bothering you, put it on paper. If you're grateful for something, jot that down too. This practice not only clears mental clutter but also shifts your brain toward a more positive and balanced state. And don't forget movement. Even 5 minutes of stretching or gentle yoga can help release tension stored in your body. When your body relaxes, your mind tends to follow. Movements like shoulder rolls, forward bends, or simply lying on the floor and stretching your arms overhead can bring immediate relief. Let's not underestimate hydration either. Anxiety often worsens when we're dehydrated. Taking 5 minutes to make a calming herbal tea, like chamomile, lavender, or lemon balm, can become a daily ritual that signals your brain to unwind. Plus, herbal teas have mild natural compounds that support your nervous system. Listening to calming music or nature sounds for just 5 minutes can be surprisingly effective. Research shows that music affects brain wave patterns, helping the mind transition from a stressed state to a more relaxed one. So whether it's the sound of rain, ocean waves, or soft piano, let yourself zone out for just a few moments. The beauty of these habits isn't just that they work individually, they stack. When you take 5 minutes here and there throughout your day, those little moments of calm begin to build a more resilient mind. They help train your nervous system to respond less to stress and more to peace. So if anxiety has been part of your daily life, try making peace part of your daily routine too. 5 minutes may seem small, but done consistently, it can lead to big changes. Your mind and body are connected, and when you treat them gently, they'll respond in kind. Thanks for watching Healthosphere 360. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite 5-minute habit to calm your mind? Until next time, breathe easy, stay grounded, and take care of your healthy sphere.